Sobrang sarap humigop ng mainit na kape habang meron kang sea of clouds na view. Amazing. Day 2 here in Tanay, Rizal, and welcome to my mini vlog. Look at this view. Mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga at ay, worth it. Grabe. Sobrang sulit kapag ganito ang sasalubong na view pagising mo. Sobrang sarap humigop ng mainit na kape, di ba? Lalo na yung gantong view. Ganyan, yan, ganyan. Ganyan yan sila. Char. Gantong view ang sinasabi ko. Wow. So habang pinagmamasdan namin yung ganito kagandang view, we decided to eat our breakfast. Actually, this is the first part because meron pang pa-free breakfast yung aming pinagstaya dito, which is Cielo Alto. Ito na nga ang sinasabi sa huli, ang pa-free breakfast ni Cielo Alto. Grabe, sobrang sarap nito. Boneless bangus with egg, rice, and this view. After breakfast, it's siesta time. Pag-check ko ng oras, pagising ko sakto 11 a.m. and 12 noon ang aming checkout. So, I decided to pack things up. Kape Bukel. So here in Kape Bukel, they are the one who process their coffee bean. Yes, their own coffee bean. And nakikita nyo. Yes, that's it. They offer quiet, unique flavors of coffee. Yan. Sa kanila ko lang kasi na-try yung palitaw coffee, kamote coffee, and many more. Grabe, this is a must-try kapag pumunta kayo here sa Tanay, Rizal. Here at Kape Bukel. And yes, grabe yung place na to. Even yung kanilang alfresco, napaka-refreshing. So, it's simple, but it's really refreshing. And prices is possible. Just look at that. Yes, that's coffee. Hindi yan shake, coffee yan. Palitaw. Coffee. Napakasarap. Grabe. Super duper 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 duper. We definitely enjoy Kape Bukel. So if I'll rate the experience and everything, it's 10 out of 10. Coffee pa lang, super sulit na. Grabe, ang sarap. After that, we decided to go to Regina Rica. Yes, Regina Rica to do some Visita Iglesia. Sobrang init pero nakakatuwa dahil meron silang pa shuttle, 10 pesos each, and you will explore this beautiful place din naman. Nature din ang vibe. So pag visit nyo here, yan, merong 100 pesos na entrance, bibigyan kayo